guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Cbunny. If you haven't already, go on and hit that subscribe button. So you guys, yes, your girl is a little bit jazzed up today. So yeah, and I made this day, I don't know what day it is, a Vlogmas. So I decided to do a little eye tutorial, makeup or eyeshadow tutorial for the holidays. What is it, Christmas, New Year's, whenever you really want to wear it. It don't have to be particularly of a holiday. It don't have to be just a holiday. You wear this look. And I try to make it simple, as easy as possible. And to be honest with you guys, I haven't worn makeup in so long. Like I did a full beat face in a while. Especially the eyeshadow, I haven't done in a while. And I know some of you guys do like my makeup videos that I do. I just haven't been really into the makeup lately, you guys. But you guys asked for it and I gave it to you guys. And also I just want to let you guys know as well, these are my lashes. If you don't know already, I have my own lash business website. You can check it out as well. And these are the style Blame. I really like these because they are not too thick but not too much, and it goes perfect with this look. It don't take too much away from the eyeshadow look that I'm giving. And they're not like it's full, but they still give you that wispy and like dramatic look, but not as much. So yeah, and these, like I said, these are called Blame. And let me show you guys. These are a Blame, you guys. Do not mind my nails, I gotta get them done. So these are Blame. And you guys, I am having a sale on all lashes. Like, you can get these originally probably like $15, but they are now on sale, like a major discount, because new inventory and more styles are coming. So I just wanted to give you guys a discount, especially it's around the holidays. You can get these lashes for only $5. Yes, everything has been selling out on my website. So yeah, you want to get them while you can, because yeah, I'm doing a whole new thing. So yeah, and I will tell you guys about that later, about the business and all that, but that's a whole nother video. So yes, you guys, if you want to know how I accomplished this look, go ahead and continue watching. Also, if you want to know about this wig, I curled it. I will leave the link down below, a review on this wig. This is more of a natural type of wig. This is a natural type of vibe. It's not holding too much of a curl, but I really love this wig. Look very natural, like my real hair. So yes, I will leave the video down below as well if you're interested in this wig. But let's just jump into the tutorial. So guys, I started off, this is an old palette, and this palette is a mess. But I decided to go with my Jacket and palette and by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I went in with the style. I went in with the shade Dip first, to just go and just brush it out. Joy, you close your door. Use any type of a sparkling. I'm still using this palette. I hate to show my palette, y'all. Look, hot mess. But I went in with True Issues and Solely. I don't want to say that wrong. But anyway, so, and I just really went in to the crease area and like patted it on very, very slowly, because you want to make sure you get how I got this crease in there and get into the crease. So I'm just mixing those two, and slowly patting it on. So this is more look like it can be a Christmas look as well. I could do a red lip with it. I may try it, I don't know. But I'm more of a nude gloss lip type of girl. Yeah. But I do have a red. And then I just stop by right there. Simple, easy, but extra. But sparkling. And then I'm gonna go back in with I'm gonna go in with Credit. This is brown. Just to blend it out a little bit. But then I'm gonna go back with that yeah, it's been such a I forgot the name of the brushes. This blending brush, it's been so long. And you see how it's kind of like blending in with that. Yeah. I think I want to take it up a little bit more with the gold. It's been such a long time. And yeah, I'm just gonna go back and forth with it. I think I'm gonna go back in with the brown a little bit. So I just want to make it even. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. You want to get that illusion where it don't look like where you started and ended. So yeah. And then I use my Juvia's Place palette just to get that smokiness underneath the eye. So I went in with my Juvia's Place palette. So I can just use a black eyeliner pencil. Right. The one I have, it doesn't show well. And then I'm gonna use that same little brush and I'm gonna try to like blend it out. Now I'm about to pop on my lashes. This is the style Blame, if I haven't said it already. So guys, I'm just about to go in with my brown pencil. I already had started. Like I said, I'm more of a, when it comes down to lip, I like lipstick, but if I have a bold, that's just me, but you can still do a red. I think a red still look good, but just, I don't know, just not for me or what I want to look like today, I guess. I don't know. But you still can do like a red lip with it. But I don't want to, guys. And then I'm just gonna take this lip gloss. I got this from 5 Below. It's like a collection. It came with like 6, and I'm just gonna put on some lip gloss. So guys, this is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.